Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today I'm working on day 89. Haven't a clue what I'm going to do. The project is getting close. What is 89? Does that mean there's 11 more days? Oh, I honestly will be glad when it is finished. I really will. It's one of those things where I'm ready to have it finished. Not that I won't collage and not that I won't do other things, but this particular project will be finished and I will be going on to other things. That is my plan. We'll see how it goes. You know, everything changes. But I'd like to make this book. I think it will be fun to make this book up. Get it all finished. Anyways, I'm going to work on this little collage for today, day 89. And we'll see where it takes us. Have a good one, and I'll be back at the end. Alrighty. Today is day 89. I have to tell you that I started to cut out the "we can't do that, won't make any difference at all." Well, then it fell on the table and it said stages of decay. And that really just didn't go with this page, but it's a statement that I decided I really wanted to keep. So I'm going to hold on to that and maybe use it tomorrow. I think it'll be interesting to see if I can come up with something that works with that. And the other thing was today that for some reason the type just didn't, I often use a pencil to scribble around the quote or whatever, and for some reason today it wanted to be a little bit more controlled and less scribbly until I started to play on the page. So I'm pretty pleased with this one. But the project is getting there. We're about to finish it up. I'm really pleased that I have stuck with it so well. I'm pleased that I have been able to accomplish it, especially with all the other things that are going on. To accomplish all of this that I have accomplished, I'm very pleased with myself and with the project. And anyways, I'm going to read you a quote from 1001 Ways to Creativity, and then we'll go on with our day. Every portrait that is painted with feeling is a portrait of the artist, not of the sitter. Oscar Wilde. Every portrait that is painted with feeling is a portrait of the artist, not of the sitter. Oscar Wilde. That's very interesting. Sometimes I think we should have a discussion group for all of these lovely little quotes. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go on and work on the next thing for my day. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.